Hi, I'm Elle from Orchards Estate, and today I am here with an independent financial advisor to ask the questions every first time buyer needs to know the answers to. So, James, where are you from?
Yes, so I'm James Oliver. I'm an independent financial advisor, and I'm part of a practice called Strategic Solutions Financial Services.
Fantastic. So, do you work locally or are you based out of the area of South Somerset?
So I live in Sherborne. We've got a local office nearby, and most of my clients tend to be within a 30-mile radius approximately, but I do go further afield, obviously.
Sure. So, do you deal with a lot of first time buyers in this
Yes.
area?
Yes, I've been in the industry giving advice for, I think I'm coming up to my 16th year, so I've done a lot of first-time buyers over the years, helped over.
So you should be able to tell us everything we need to know. Okay, so what can a first-time buyer expect when they very first come to see you in their mortgage interview?
So for a lot of people, it's an unknown, really.
Yeah.
Most people don't get taught what a mortgage is at school or anything else like that. So there's a lot of questions that people have. The typical ones that come up tend to be: how much can I borrow? What's it going to cost per month?
Mm-hmm.
Can I get a mortgage? And how much deposit do I need? They tend to be the common things.
And how much deposit do they need?
So it really depends. You can get mortgages from just as little as a 5% deposit. Generally, you're going to get a much better rate if you're putting down a 10% deposit. That can come from a gift from the family member. A lot of people think they can't have gifts from family members, but you can. That's generally no problem. It has to be disclosed to the lender. So I would normally say anywhere from 10% upwards, you're going to get a much better deal than if you're only putting the 5% down. But you can get on the ladder with a 5%.
And when you're saying percent, that's percent of the entire property cost.
Correct.
Yeah. So I think not only do you have to disclose to the lender it's a gifted deposit, but one thing that we've had crop up before, you need to disclose that to your conveyancer as well, because there can be other charges linked to that. With the 5% deposit, is there something to do with Help to Buy schemes that you could recommend, or